Working with teams that include specialists from different areas can be quite challenging. With the updated approach, managers can now select multiple resources at once directly from the schedule board. This makes the process much more convenient and significantly reduces the time required to build a team. All the important assignment details are displayed in a single place, allowing managers to review everything clearly and confirm all bookings in just one action. As a result, organizations can respond faster to project needs, whether they are starting new initiatives or supporting ongoing service operations. Another important aspect to consider is pricing, which often changes over time due to various factors. Managing these changes manually can be time-consuming and may lead to inconsistencies. With the latest improvements, pricing updates can now be applied automatically starting from their effective date. This helps ensure that all calculations remain accurate without requiring constant manual input. Additionally, the use of weighted average pricing provides a more precise way to calculate costs, especially when dealing with multiple variables. Maintaining an audit trail also adds an extra layer of transparency, making it easier to track changes and review pricing decisions whenever needed. Visibility into staffing and resource utilization is equally critical for effective management. Without a clear overview, it can be difficult to understand how resources are being used or to identify potential gaps. The introduction of a timeline staffing view helps solve this problem by giving team members a clear picture of weekly assignments. This view covers both task-level and project-level activities, allowing everyone involved to better understand priorities and workloads. With this level of visibility, teams can plan more effectively, improve coordination, and ensure that resources are allocated in the best possible way. When it comes to talent acquisition, the hiring process has been simplified and made more efficient. Recruiters no longer need to switch between different platforms to post job openings. Instead, they can publish job ads directly to platforms like LinkedIn from within the system. This not only saves time, but also increases the reach of job postings, helping organizations attract a wider pool of candidates. In addition, a secure agency portal has been introduced to support collaboration with external recruitment partners. This portal uses role-based access, ensuring that each user can only see and interact with the information relevant to them. Structured workflows for job postings and candidate management further improve the overall recruitment process. The onboarding experience for new employees has also been enhanced. An onboarding agent integrated into Microsoft Teams helps automate many of the tasks typically involved in bringing a new hire on board. This includes collecting necessary documents, assigning training materials, and guiding employees through steps specific to their roles. By automating these processes, organizations can provide a more consistent and organized onboarding experience, reducing the workload on HR teams and helping new employees become productive more quickly. For field service teams, the ability to document work efficiently is essential. Workers often need to capture information while they are on site, and doing this quickly can make a big difference. With mobile tools, they can now record notes, take photos, and even capture videos directly within the system's timeline. This ensures that all relevant information is stored in one place and can be easily accessed later. As a result, reporting becomes faster, more accurate, and more reliable. Scheduling has also seen significant improvements. Managers can now optimize multiple resources at the same time directly from the schedule board, rather than handling each case individually. They can also run quick optimization plans whenever needed, which helps adjust schedules in response to changing conditions. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit like and subscribe to the channel. There are many more videos ahead about Microsoft technologies and how they can help your business. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.